Yo, what's going on, peeps? Top of the evening. Here we are with another edition of Ladder Attack Wednesday. This site on this 1 day chart here we have seen for 8 months in a row, whether it's every other day, every third day, multiple days in a row. We have come used to seeing this over and over again. Kind of expected this today. I mentioned it last night. They're not going to continue to let this thing run. Blah, blah, blah. Have the shorts covered? No, they have not. To me, I want to break 48, 49 bucks, go over 50, touch all new time. Of course we do. It's a matter of time, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Also, to me, the price, whether we're at 43 bucks, 46, it doesn't matter to me. I know most of you it doesn't matter. So again, we know what happened today. Let us see what tomorrow brings. Okay, we got some madness going on here today, ladies and gentlemen. Let's touch on it. Real quick, the dark pool, 65%. We know every dang video we do this, we're roughly in this here. When is it going to end, Gary? We don't know. But I got some good news regarding Gary Gensler and the SEC over here. Today we announced we have filed an action against an online crypto lending platform, its founder and its top U.S. promoter and its affiliated company. They allegedly defrauded retail investors out of $2 billion buckaroos. And then over here to the SEC press release, it was BitConnect, you guys. I think I used those guys a long time ago to like one of those in-between transferring something to something. So tough break, boys and girls. That's what you get for stealing. But anyways, apparently they were doing this a lending program, right, offered by BitConnect, where they, from 2017, early 2017 to January of 18, stole about 2 billion buckaroos. So there we go, SEC. Good job. Remember, this is not an overnight fix, ladies and gentlemen. Double G himself, shout out to Jada Exotic for tweeting this little clip out. But Gary Gensler today was on, he spoke at this EP Economics here, European Parliament Econ Committee meeting today he did. Had a nice little piece on here on just touching on it. Let's listen to about a minute of it here.
That has taken on more meaning in the last few years in the U.S., where brokers, or I should really say wholesalers, are buying order flow from the trading app. So when you go online and you trade here as a retail public, that order may be bought by a wholesaler, and there's 3 to 5 that are buying most of that order flow. The inherent conflict is whether somebody's paying 2 cents or a penny and a half or something per share that's going to that order flow, is it's not going to a lit, transparent stock exchange, and orders are not competing against other orders. Instead, one wholesaler is buying a significant portion. We also, secondly, are seeing a great deal of concentration. So it's really sort of around this small handful of market makers that are buying a significant portion of the retail activity in the U.S. And we have approximately half of our markets now not going to the lit exchanges. It's going to the dark pools and the wholesalers that are also dark. So some inherent conflicts. And so, yes, it's part of what we're considering, but also thinking about other conflicts, the rebates that are on exchanges, and many of the technical issues about what's called tick sizes and our national best bid and best offer.
There you go, straight from his mouth. I like it. I don't like that he says he's looking at it, considering it. I don't know. Just wording. Of course, he's not going to come out and say it, but I heard in there 3 to 5 people that are doing this, more like 1 to 2, Virtu and Citadel. 3 to 5 is probably the gosh dang whole total of this madness behind the scenes, dark pool, taking these orders, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, pretty good. They're doing stuff. Remember, guys, this cannot happen directly overnight. And, a lot of people are, first to come. Should we trust these guys? No, of course we shouldn't. But it's going in the right direction. The bottom line, the shorts have not covered AMC, right? Right. Okay, this madness here today. AMC stock deserves to crash 87%, analyst says. Okay, let's go down to here. Chad Bainan cut his rating from whatever the hell it was at to $6. Basically, 87% of its current levels, right? and he's part of this marquee group, whatever the hell, okay? And then he's just kind of going over, the numbers are down, the fundamentals, he did take some time to, and who knows what else he said, but going over everything, throwing the numbers out here, blah, 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 why this is not a play, blah, blah, blah. AMC remains a risky investment given rent obligations, higher level, and difficult margin trajectory following a major normalized recovery. Okay, you get it. Basically ripping the stock. Nothing new we haven't seen, right? But this fine man here, Mr. Chad himself over here, Mark Carey Group, I'm sorry if I slaughtered that name there, Chad. I don't know how to pronounce that. Whatever. The guy's been here since '07, I believe. That's him. But then again, you go over here to Fintel, 8/13 of 2021. This Markecki, whatever the hell, Group Limited, 618.21% increase in ownership of AMC. What in the hell is this all about? You guys, it gets the news, the FUD, the weirdness, it just gets crazier by the damn day, doesn't it? So very, very interesting. Very interesting. Anytime we see this, you guys, it all started with iceberg lettuce, didn't it? The first thing I read when I read this morning was this name right here. And who in the hell is Chad Benyon with this weird little company here, right? Sure, it's a great organization. I'm sure it is. But what the fudge sickles, man? Jesus. Okay, Ortex tweet of the day by old Ortex over there. AMC short interest update. There are currently 4.26 billion worth of short positions in AMC. These positions have caused losses of over 1.2 billion for short sellers since the start of last week. So remember, 5 trading days last week, plus basically 2 days this week, because this was this morning, early this morning. So 7 trading days, short sellers down 1.2 billion. Today, just in pre-market, short sellers have lost 100 million. Gosh, you guys, that adds up, doesn't it? Yeah, very. And then this one here, another one. AMC fails to deliver up to 1088% in latest data. And I have, you guys, if you want to peel through the failures to deliver on the SEC website, you just got to hit the zip file. It'll pull up 900 million things. I've shared that before. But anyway, this one here, I did see Charlie's vids put this out. This is exaggerated somewhat. But you guys, I mean, holy crap. Major new data just came out today from the SEC. It shows failure to deliver increase up 1,088% in the first half of August. And then it mentions naked short selling in here. These fails to deliver sometimes happen for benign reasons. Okay, sure. But when massive fails to deliver occur in a stock over a substantiated period, it's often a sign of naked short selling. Well, yeah, you think so? You think so? The FTDs and AMC are truly enormous. After the falling significantly last month, they're backed with a vengeance. As of August 13th, the last day in the series, AMC fails to deliver were 157 times larger than Apple's. And remember, Apple is the largest stock in the market, 113 times AMC's market cap. God dog it, you guys. Deep troubles. Deep doo-doos. So there, we'll pop that in there. If you want to pull this first half of August up right there, just click on that son of a gun there, and it'll bring you up the biggest headache you've ever seen in your entire life. You can weed through there and do some calculating if you'd like. And then here's our king, Silverback here. Friday, September 24th is World Gorilla Day. On 9/24, rent any of the 9 Planet of the Apes movies on AMC theaters on demand. We will give all of the $3.99 proceeds to the Diane Fossey Gorilla Fund. Of course you will. Outstanding. Adam Aaron. Love it. That's super cool. And then that's about it, you guys. Let's touch on another. Look at this. The Motley Fool. Smart money goes all in. It's talking about retail investment in here. AMC bears are eating crow once again over the past month. AMC has rallied 33.89%. It's quite a sight to behold. AMC's army of retail investors is once again on the winning side of its favorite trade, defying all the naysayers. Year to date, AMC is up 2,200%, and it shows no sign of slowing down. The question is, what's behind all of these gains. Okay. And then institutional investors jumping in, as we've known and touched on for about a month now. But now a new group of investors is getting in on the action, institutional investors, otherwise known as smart money. These Wall Street insiders include asset managers, hedge funds, and pension funds. And then look what you got here: BlackRock, Vanguard, Northern Trust, all of your big holders in our beloved AMC. And then shout out to Trey's Trades. Look at this. Trey's Trades forecast trend is signaling a breakout for AMC Entertainment. Made it right on the old Benzinga page. Outstanding. Shows his tweet in there. This is a little short article, but super, super cool. Okay, guys, that's it. The wackiness continues. Let's see what tomorrow brings. 2 green days followed by a hammer down today. Tomorrow is Thursday. Let's see what in the heck happens. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.